Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Trading Stocks from Behind the Eight Ball. You're rocking with Coach TB right now, 43. Coach TB 43, and we're here trading live on the stock market where we teach the youth how to trade on Wall Street and how to make money on Wall Street, guys. What's happening, family? Welcome back to the channel. Happy trading day. Smash that like button. Sound off in the chat. Where are you tuning in from? And what tickers are you stalking today? Listen, the market is setting up for an absolutely explosive session today, guys. We got key levels sitting right at the critical injection point, right at the critical volatility point, right at the critical inflection point, right at the critical brewing point, and major volume stepping in. You hear me? It's a lot of volume today. Today we'll be excited. Today isn't just another trading day. Today is a battlefield. And we are here to lay out the blueprint before the bell rings. It's 9 o'clock. Market opens, as we know, at 9:30. Let's look at the charts right now for a second so we can understand what we're looking at here, guys. Situation is that there are key levels that we need to pay attention to. Over the last few sessions, we've seen buyers and sellers locking horns right around these major support and resistance zones where you see these red lines that they are support and resistance zones. Okay. The bull case, if we can reclaim and hold these key resistant levels, the squeeze is on, and we're looking at a clean run up towards the target price. On the bear case, on the flip side of things, if sellers reject us here at this break point down here, then the key support levels, we should expect the liquidity to get swept down to a lower support level. So it could push it back down to the lower level. We don't just guess here, man. We react to price action. So let's map out the exact lines where the real fight is going to happen. And you see that these lines are already mapped out for you via your boy, Coach TB. Already did the work for you guys. So we have these levels here that we're going to pay attention to when the market open up, and we just going to follow up the price action. That's what we do here. No guessing, no guesswork. We follow the plan, guys. We follow the plan. Now, I do want to let you know today we're not going to be involved in any FOMO. Okay, guys? We're not going to be involved in FOMO today. So let's pull up our top tickers for the session, if you will. So far this morning in the small cap world pre-market, we've been looking at stocks like STFS and STKH and SKYQ and AMIX. Now, if you did not have your pen and pad ready, I will repeat those in a minute. So get ready for the stocks that we've been looking at. The stocks that we're keeping our eye on today is DFNS, AMOD, and NCRA. NCRA is one that I'm looking at right now, and it popped all the way up to 457, then back down to 357. And then VIVK popped on the scanner. VIVK popped on right before we got on today. So we want to keep your wrist tight, keep your stops defined, and remember, team, plan the trade, trade the plan. No FOMO trading today, guys. Happy trading. Good luck. We're just going to be waiting and watching. If anything pops up significantly important, I will allow you guys to know. I will tell you. Okay? So rock with your boy, Coach TB. and and have a great trading day. Is anybody home? Knock knock. You guys know we watch Tesla, so we're gonna keep our eye on Tesla. Now today, um, we're gonna look at the ETF of Tesla. The ETF of Tesla is TSLA. That's the ETF of Tesla. So we're gonna watch that today. And as you see, I'm gonna mark off these levels for you, save you the time and effort. I'm going to take care of it for you right now. As you can see, these are the levels that's going to concern us today. As you can see, the lower level on this TSLL lower level, it's like 685, right? All right, but that's really down there. So what I'd say is, yeah, 690 is probably right where we want to be, and then you have a 734, 735 level. But an even harder resistant level than the 735 is the 727. So if it breaks through the 727, then that tells us the market is going up, period. I think it will be an update today, but we don't know based on politics and what's going on online. The news can have an effect on, it can be a catalyst for the price action to move one way or another. So we really don't know. We just got to watch and pay attention and keep our eyes open because it can go one or two ways. It can go up or it can go down, you know? But we got our levels marked up, so we cool. Um, I do have an order in for TSLL to go down towards the 685 area. I mean, I'm thinking that because I can say if it's going to if it's going to go up today, right? Say the market is going to go up today, right? In order for it to go up, it has to come down. Think about a seesaw. If you sitting on a seesaw and you down on the ground, in order for you to go up, the other side has to come down. So I'm looking at it that way. It has to come down first in order for it to go back up. Okay. So that's where we at with TSLL. Now, I hope you all ready for your pen and your pad with the stocks that we were looking at this morning because I'm about to repeat them for you. STFS, $5.70. When I looked at it, it might be different now. STKH, SKYQ, and AMIX. Right? Those are the ones we were looking at this morning. That means they're on the watch list. Then I have a couple that I'm called keeping my eye on. One from yesterday is DFNS. And then again, we're going to look at NCRA, VIVK, and I don't know if I'm going to look at AMOD again. Let me look at AMOD real quick and see if I can leave that on the watch list. A, oh, okay. AMOD. AMOD doesn't have a lot of, it doesn't have enough volume, but it did pop up. But so we're gonna scratch AMOD because I don't like the volume on it. It's not enough volume. But then I gave you AMIX. AMIX is the second leading gainer, and NCRA is the first leading gainer. So those are the two that we should pay attention to. AMIX, NCRA, and DFNS. That's where we at, Cod. That's where we at, guys. That's where we are, actually. That's where we are. That's where we are. Proper English. That's where we are. NCRA is $3. AMIX is $4.35. And DFNS is $36. So we just watching. We scratch that AMOG. We scratch that. Okay. STFS. First one. 499. Okay, so that went down. The STFS went down a little bit. It was at 570. Now it's down to 480. Volume about 3.2 million on volume. STKH. STKH is down as well. That was 320. Now it's down to 277. I'm gonna scratch that off of my list. SKYQ. SKYQ is around the same way. It popped up to 470, y'all. 1.5 million in volume. It needs more volume. It's up 24%. That's the one to keep your eye on, okay? We're going to keep our eye on that one. And AMIX is 436. It's down a little bit, up 57%, 7.4 million in volume. We can keep our eye on that too. I'm just checking them. Let me I'm sorry. Let me switch. I'm gonna switch the screen so you can literally see what I see. Okay? All right, so you see what I see, right? That's AMIX, $4.36. Down a little bit. When I first looked at it, it was at 70%. Now it's down to 58, 60%. So this is one we'll just keep our eye on, okay? And then NCRA, that one I told you about. Remember I told you about that this morning? That's at $3.70. So that's up a little bit. It's up 160%. You definitely want to keep your eye on that one. So we're gonna definitely watch that one. That's one of the ones we definitely gonna watch, right? And DFNS. Let's look at DFNS. DFNS. I don't know why that happened. DFNS is still wow, it's up 60%, which is really good. So we're gonna pay attention to that one too. That's gonna be number 2. All right. VIVK. Let's look at VIVK real quick. VIVK. Take a look at that. That one is down 20 cents since I looked at it earlier. Volume is 11.8 million, so 44% north, 44% up. All right, we'll just I'll let that stay on there for y'all. But again, y'all know Coach TV, his stocks has to be at least over $5. So we're gonna be paying a lot of attention to what TSLA, right? The ETF for Tesla. That's what we're gonna pay attention to, cuz. Yeah, man, that's what we paying attention to. Just rock with me, man. We only got about 16 more minutes for the market to open. Once the market open, then we go from there, man. That's how it goes. I mean, it ain't a whole lot to that, is it? I don't think so. It's all gravy, baby. That's what they told me. I didn't think that they was telling any fibs or any stories. I thought it was the truth when they said it's all gravy, baby. Just rock with your boy. Just rock with your boy. Minutes for the market open. 15 minutes. See, guys, your Coach TB is more inclined to mess with the larger cap stocks like Nvidia and Tesla, BTC, Bitcoin. Look, we look at the compression on the 15-minute charts on these tickers, Nvidia, Tesla, and Bitcoin, and we're cooling right under resistance. It looks like it break out above the level with volume is our trigger point, for a long position, right? And also, we pay close attention to the SPY and the QQQs. Watch this key value area. That will give you an idea what the market is doing. If we open inside yesterday's range, expect choppy early on. We want to wait for a clean retest for a strong breakout direction. Again, keep your wrist tight and your stops defined. Remember, team, plan the trade. Trade the plan. No FOMO trading today. Told you we're not doing that. Throw your tickets in the chat. If you have any questions, put it in the chat. Please go over and subscribe, like, and share the channel. I see a lot of you asking if we're bullish or bearish today. My bias is neutral, bullish, bearish, but I am letting the opening bell confirm the direction first before I try to guess or anticipate. We don't anticipate, we participate. Drop your favorite setups in the chat right now. Let's see what you guys are looking at. We got a few more minutes, 10 more minutes before the opening bell. Quick checklist before we go live into action. Top levels marked on your chart. You see those levels are marked already. Position sizing and risk limits set. Mindset locked in. Check. Let the market come to you. Don't chase the noise. Let's execute with precision today, right? Ring that bell and let's go get it, guys. Let's go get it. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable, man. Yeah, it's always an issue. always an issue.
Restless rhythms pulling. Rhythms pulling at my bone. Suitcase dreams of never staying home. Foreign streets are calling out my name. Every turn it went's a different flame. Windows down, horizon in my sight. Chasing colors, beating into flight. Every border blurring as I go. In the motion I begin to grow. No more standing still in my own cage. I'm rewriting every single page. Feel the impulse building in my chest. Like a question I can't leave erased. Hello, the sun is up, where are you? Come and dance in golden hues. Hello, the night is gone, I
Where are
find
you?
you.
What's happening out there?
Everybody
Somebody
shines, we
wants up.
move to.
I understand. It's
The
okay.
sun is up, where are you? Understand, feel a little
I'm just gonna wait for the market to open
colors
up, man.
boost all around. The world lights up with every sound.
The market to open up. You trade live over here. You can go over there and subscribe to the page. And you can watch the trade live. That's all. Ain't no whole lot to that.
City murmurs in a
Ain't
thousand
a lot to
tongues.
it, cuz.
Every story still
Stop
remains
playing
unsung.
around.
Freedom mornings drifting through the air.
Stop playing
Every
around.
crossing leads me somewhere.
Pretend it so y'all can see the
Maps
screen.
dissolving underneath my stride. Every unknown pulls me open wide. In the chaos, something real appears. Past the limits I used for years. No more standing still in my own cage. I'm rewriting every single page. Feel the impulse building in my chest. Like a question I can't leave erased. Hello, the sun is up, where are you? Come and dance in golden hues. Hello, the night is gone, I find you. Everybody shines, we move to. Hello, the sun is up, where are you? Understand, feel a little. Hello, colors boost all around. The world lights up with every sound.
Yeah. Yeah. We rocking, cuz that's what we do over here, man. We be rocking, cuz that's what we do. Wait for the market to open. We got 2 minutes before the market open, okay? 2 minutes. Market is now open. Market is open. And we just watching. We're watching. Okay, so it looks like we may have hit our mark on not quite. Not quite yet. All right. So we need 696 is basically what we need. 696. Okay, we need 696 over here, guys. 696. We get it short on TSLA. Um, and it's down to 707. We need about 11 more cent drop, 11 more cent drop, or close to it. We need it to drop about 11 more cent. If we're looking at this here, this level here was 98. All right. So what I'll do is I'll move this to $7 even so we can make sure we get out $7 even. Yeah. I'm hoping that it dropped to $7 even. $7 even. Come on, guys, give it to us. Give it to us. Give it to us. It's 703. Out 703. 703. I gotta get out. 703. Come on, get us out, guys. Get us out here. Get us out. We're about to get out at 703. Oh my lord, it went right there and then came back. Come on, guys. Why they don't want to get me out? They don't want to get us out, guys. Yeah, they plan. They playing around, guys. They don't want to get us out. They don't want to get us out, guys. Yeah. They don't want to get us out, guys. Oh, we got out. We got out right there. So we took it down. We took it down and got out. I'm taking out the last. I just took out the last 40 shares. Just had to make sure we got out because I think it will be going up here shortly. We canceling all our orders, and then We're just gonna pay attention to. We're gonna pay attention to the tension that we need to pay attention to. That's it. Pay attention to the tension that we need to pay attention to. Uh huh. All right. Oh, man. What's up, farmhand? Good morning, man. I was looking for you this morning. I'm looking at TSLA, farmhand. What you looking at? Good morning, man. How you doing? What you looking at this morning? Oh, you late? Oh my God, you late, man. I was looking for you this morning. We made all kinds of money in the pre-market. Yeah, man. Basically, you got the point. I'm watching this TSLL right now. I know, but yeah, yeah, but she hit it. She hit it back up to 730 though. Oh, of course. I know, right? Yeah, it was messy, messy, messy. I know, right? Trouble. So what happened to the round table? It's like it's low volume on the round table lately. Okay. Oh. Yeah, let's bring it back to life, man. Let's bring it back to life. Even if it's just you and I, we bring it back to life, man. Seemed like it died off when I went off to go do the live stream, but we gotta bring it back to life. AMIX and NCRA on the watch list. Your radar saying anything about them two? NCRA and AMIX? Got it. Yep, got it. There he is. The Joker is in the house. Awesome. So, mm, is there a reason why it's down? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's a good point. Appreciate it. Good luck with you and your studying, man. Peace. You got TTP? Yeah. Yeah. That's right. We have well go ahead and share your screen. Let me see what you got. No, you got oh wait, oh over there where you are. Okay. I can share mine and show you how it should be set up. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, nice, 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 nice. That's cool. Go ahead. What's your question? Right, right. I understand. Of course. Yeah. Um, you just go and you hit the buy button. Uh, where's it at? Yeah. Okay. Hold on. We got to switch that up somehow. Um, let me show you really how it's supposed to be looking. I got to figure out how to switch that up. This will be a good day for Val to be on here because Val is so good, man. She is so good with this stuff. And but I want to just show you how my screen looks so you can see the difference in the screens. Because the way I have mine set up is very, very easy. Let me see something here. We're gonna give Val. No, it's okay. I mean, you want to tell Val to set your screen up the way my screen is set up. You see, are you able to see my screen right now? Okay, now yeah, this is this part right here. You see my arrow, my point. You see my you see my point. You see it? Okay, this is the most important part of the whole platform right here, and you don't have that on you don't have that on there, right? Oh, yeah, you need to bring this up because this is how you put in your order. Let me see. Let me see if Val is busy or not. Because if she's not busy, we're going to get her because she love helping with this type of stuff. Like she know where everything is. Um, let me see. Don't worry. Don't say that, man. Say I love this platform because therefore you're gonna make some money with it. Yeah. Don't worry, man. We're gonna. Uh, but yeah, but you can't short on Think or Swim, can you? Exactly. There you go. Which show me that again? Yeah, that right there. What about it? Oh, don't worry. Val gonna straighten you right on out. I just sent her a text. Hopefully she'll respond because she's a much better person. Oh, you got it. Yeah, there you go. Oh, you got it. Man. Yeah, you got it. There you go. You got it on market. You put it on limit, right? Put it on limit. No, hit the arrow right there, and it'll give you the limit. There you go. All right, so yeah, you're on limit. Switch that A. No, switch that AAL to switch that to TSLL. What kind of trade? A long? You do the longs on your other account, right? Now you're gonna have to. Okay. Oh, don't. Yeah, yeah. Well, we're not worried about that right now. Right now, we concentrate. Set up, yeah, set it up. And if you're able to switch from screen to screen, you know what I mean? Like, because you may want to take a trade on your regular account, you got to be able to quickly just go to the next screen and do that. Because I got, all right, good. So if yeah, so do it there then. All right, so TSLL is right now there. Boo boo woo. This press the arrow right there that you see. See that arrow right there in the day box? Yeah, try. Can you see my platform? Set it up like that. Okay, well, set yours up the same way. That box is on the left hand side in the top corner and it's not as big as that one. Try to set it up the same way. Are you able to move those boxes around? All right, well, tell you what. Take that and make it smaller. Push it up a little bit because all that space under your level two is just a waste of space. Push the bottom of that, yeah, up to the end of the numbers. There you go. Will that work? There you go. Now you. Oh my God! You have to have the account. Okay. Okay. Probably could leave it beside it. Yeah, I'm not. I'm not really good with. Okay. Yeah, I know, right? I like that too. That's over here. Yeah, time and sales, scalpers, and market depth got that there too. On the right, right here. Oh, that's another. That's just another chart. So I got two charts. Yeah, it's just another chart. That's all. It's got the lines instead of the candles. I like the line too. I know, man. That's right. Market is not doing anything. I can tell you that right there, right where it says stop in the middle. Right. That's a tight stop, buddy. I like I like it. You buying or selling? Oh, you was getting ready to sell. Okay. It says you it says no, because you had the arrow at the sell button. Your arrow was hovering over the sell button at that point. So hit position down here where you see position. No, you already in position because that's your position. Right. Now right click on the position bar. No, down where you were at first. Yeah, right click on that bar. Right click. Well, what there should be a box that come up from your right click. Maybe it went to one of your other screens. You don't have a right click right there? Okay. I want you to see your stop loss. What is your stop loss on there? Can you bring that little box over to this so I can see it, like right where we are? Can you move it over here? Oh, I don't see it. Okay. Well, you can put in your stop loss and your take profit in that box. No, the box you said that's right here, right there. I'm not. That's what I was. That's what I was wondering. That's why I told you to right click that arrow to see where it's at. To right click it. Oh, there you go. There you go. There's your stop loss. Which one? Oh, no, it's okay, man. It's okay. People don't like change. That's human nature. They don't like. Okay. But you know the only reason why we over here, right? Okay. All right. All right. Thank. Keep that in mind. Right. Keep that in mind. I mean, well, it shouldn't be a distraction to you, farmhand. We don't want it. We don't want it to be a distraction to you because you're doing very well the way you're doing things. If it's going to be a distraction, then I would advise you not to mess with it because you know we don't need you don't need distractions in trading, right? Um, but if you simplify it some kind of way, then it'll just be pressing a few buttons and that's it. Yeah, I think Val. Yeah, Vala help us with that. She's very good with that. Oh my. Yeah, text. I mean, put a thing in the chat for Bing, a pinger or something. I'm watching TSLL, right? TSLL is getting ready to hit up against VWAP. So it looks like it only want to give us 10 cent today. Isn't that terrible? It looks yeah, it looks like it want to give us Yeah, 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 no question. Yeah, it's just what do you mean, the TSLL or the TQQ? Yeah, pay attention to the TQQs to see because that's going to tell us everything. 305 on the SPY. Oh no, that's Tesla. 305.99. Okay, so Tesla may go up a little bit here to 307.61. So I'm gonna be careful with this because I think break Tesla may break the VWAP. Yeah, it should. Let me put this back up so you can see it. Don't worry, man. I felt the same way. I felt the same way. No, I felt the same way when when you first get started with it. You go feel that. You feel the same way when you first get started. When you first get, yeah, it's just a change in things. But if it's a matter of just clicking buttons, that's where I need you to be. I don't want nothing to be complicated for you. But if you could just click a button and short while I'm shorting or whatever, I think that's easy to do. You are you watching my screen? All right. All right. So I'm just saying, if you see what I'm doing, like right here, I got 500 in at 710, 710, 500 shares, right? That's in there already. From what? A matter of just clicking a button. So when I told you to right click, this is what you should have seen when you right clicked. You should have seen a box like this. That's what I was getting at. This box. In case something happens, you can put your stop loss here and you can put your take profit here. And don't worry about it no more. I'm gonna show you again. You see this? See this now here? This is my position. This is my position. Okay. I'm right clicking on it and then I hit modify position. Then you hit modify position. Right. And then you put in your stop loss and take profit and walk away. You walk. It's grayed out. Oh my God. You're such a hard student, man. You're a hard student. I tried to I tried to tell you that. You're right about that. You're right about that. I know. That's why I asked her. I said, Val, are they getting on you? I said, are they getting on your nerves? She said, no, because people do that. They be like, man, this is not right. This is wrong. I don't like this and that. Then you gotta go through that. You gotta go through that. It's going up, man. It's going through the VWAP. We're watching it. We're watching it. We're watching it. It may pop through VWAP, but let's see where it's going at right now. Okay, yeah, Tesla's going up to 307.60. We know that already. That's the 15-minute. It is 10:05 right now, so we can't expect Tesla to go down again until the next 15-minute candle comes out in 10 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna pay attention to the 5-minute candles, guys. 5-minute candle is showing red. It's showing red. What does that mean? Oh, that means down. Let's see what happened. The overall market. Can I ask you, farmhand, what is the Qs doing overall? Are they going up? Okay. Hey, good morning, Forex. Where you been at, man? Forex, where you been? Yeah, come on, man. What's wrong with them? They only trying to give us 10 cents. Everything is good, bro. No, I'm trying to teach them how to trade, not use trade the pool. I'm sorry, that's a big difference. Right, exactly. I don't care what platform you on. It doesn't matter to me. It's the moves that you make on those platforms. How you make moves on those platforms, right? Because Borex, here's the thing, Borex. If me, you, and Farmhand, and Joker, and all that, if we combine our strategies, then we have an edge on the market makers. And that's what it's all about because they always trying to get an edge on us, retail traders. So we have to somehow come together and get an edge on them like they did with GameStop. Over at Reddit, they beat the market makers up. They beat them in the ground. Yeah. Yeah, we can see it. Yeah, we can see it. What are you trading? That's Forex. Okay. Right. 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 Okay, go to South Korea. They said South Korea dropped by 40%. Is that true? South Korea. Do you trade South Korea Forex? Okay. Why? Why they go down? Okay. Oh, I got you. I guess Val is busy. She's not gonna show up today. Yeah, doesn't look like we're gonna get anything today, guys. This market is it's just just neutral. We're looking at a neutral market. We should- Can't do that right now, right? Uh oh. Uh oh. Sweet spot alert. Right now, guys, we're looking at the DFNS, 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 DFNS. I don't know what the hell Boris was talking about. You know, you always can just open up um think or swim. Just open up another account and short on there. You know that doesn't have to be TTP. As long as you can short somewhere, you good. No, I was saying, farmhand. You know, you can open up another account with Trader Swim, Think or Swim, and short on that one too. Doesn't really have to be TTP. You know what I'm saying? As long as you got a way to short, yeah, that's all that matters. Cool. You good to go then. I'm trying to get in on this DFNS, man. What do you think about DFNS? Oh, I got you. I know. I see you very, very distracted. I'm so sorry that that happened. I don't want it to be a distraction to you. Maybe you should do this after trading hours. Uh huh. No, no, you got pre-market. You got pre-market and post-market. You got pre-market and post-market. I think so. Yeah, of course. Uh. Oh no, not on the demo. No, I don't think it has it on the demo. Yeah. Mm. I got you. I was just curious. Curious. That's all. It's okay. You think so? Wednesday. Okay. It is this. I think Tesla is falling. Tesla is falling. Everything is really falling, but they won't let me in. Why? Okay. N- Nobody knows anything, bro. The thing is, this DFNS, right? It doesn't want to let me in for some reason. It does. Yeah, it doesn't want to let me in. It wants me to chase it, but I'm not chasing it. If it's either gonna let me in or not, that's it. Period. Yeah. Oh wow, that's a long drop. That's a long drop. I notice it's not trying to get me in because hmm well, you see my orders. You see my orders. They won't let me in, bro. If they let me in, we good. If they don't, we're in trouble. What is this? Voice connect. Oh, wow. Yep, they just refuse to let me in. It's okay though. I'm definitely not going to chase it. If they don't let me in, I'll call it for the day and come back tomorrow. I don't care. I won't be upset with them. You get I like I like to hear that. That's the best way because if you can get that 47 up to 60, you'll be doing a good thing. 47% win rate that you have, right? No, I got you. I got you 100%. That's two different strategies. Yeah, the R's and the win rates are two different strategies. But I'm saying if a person is keened in on the R's, that means they did due diligence and they understand what type of RR they want. Once you have that locked in, which you do have it locked in, you went in 1 to 6. Now you work on your percentage rate, regardless of what you're saying. You when you making one, you got it. Okay, right, right. No, you can do it. You can do it pretty easily. All you have to do is cut out the bull crap trades that you take. That's it. And your win rate will automatically go up. Exactly. Right. Right. No, I understand that. But if you cut that out, then your win rate gonna shoot up to 60. Is that Yeah. How many 1 to 6s you had in the last 30 days? Yeah. Ex- Explain the 128R to me, if you will. Is that 1 to 2.8 or 1 to 2.8? So why doesn't it just say 4 to 1? Oh, okay. No, I don't know what 128 are. I just don't know what 120. I just don't know what 128 R means. That's all. I was just trying to understand what that means. I know the 4 to 1. I know what that means, but 128, I can't rationalize it. That's all. To what? I got you. The reason why I asked you how many times you hit 1 to 6 is because I'm working on something like that. 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 4. And I haven't really picked it up yet. So if you hitting that on a consistent basis, I need to know how are you strategizing to do the 1 to 6? I'm sure it does. Um, no. I was looking for something more like, all right, Tony, I look at the TQQs. I see it's at $50 now. I know the high is $60. So I will put an order in at 50 and take it 1 to 6 to 60. Oh, I got you. So you're not using your own brain. Therefore, I got it now. So you can't explain it if you're not using your own brain, farmhead. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, now that's the key point right there. Where to set your take profit? Who is determining the take profit? Because if you set your stop loss at 1, who says set it at 5 or set it at 6 or set it at 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6? Who says that? The computer? Oh, God. Now I understand that. Now I understand what you're saying now. Yeah, the computer. I got you. The computer. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh, I like that. I like that. Yeah, that is a programmer trading right there. That sounds just like a programmer trader. No, that's perfect, man. You know, I was patient and waited for the DFNS to come back to me, and it came back to me. That's what you call sitting on your hands and being patient, because it's back up to the VWAP, and I'm already in the profit already. That's why it's important to just wait. Okay. Oh, that makes a big difference, man. I forgot. I forgot about that. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Keep that. Yep. Yeah. No, I understand. I understand very well. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. No, I understand. Yeah. 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 It's a lot. Mm-hmm. Right, right. Mhm. Yeah. No, all the fun stuff. I got you. Mhm. Yeah. Mm, no, I got you. I'm looking for a long on this TSLO at 692. Oh, that's what it says, maybe? No. No, I understand. It says maybe to you. It may be more nicer to me though, Farman. No? Mhm. Yeah. No, you're right. You're absolutely right, but you remember I cut everything in half. You forgot? It could go down to 685, but I cut that in half and get in here because I'm not really worrying about 5 cent. You know what I'm saying? It could take off from here, but if I'm waiting for it to go to 685 and it takes off from here, then how do I look myself in the mirror? Now, if it goes down to 685, then I will put the rest of my shares in. Remember? Scaling. Scaling is the word of the day. Is scaling not the word of the day? Scaling is the word of the day. We're looking at TSLL, guys. Here, we're going long on this. We're buying in at. I tried to tell my friend here that he should get in on a long, but he ignored me, and now we're leaving him behind. 690 was where I wanted to get in at. Now it's at $7. That sound like 10 cent on to me on 10,000 shares. That is absolutely $1,000 in profit. Hello. No, it's real volatile though. It's real volatile. It's very, very volatile right now. Let me give a shout out to my homie down in Mississippi, the former mayor of Pickens, Mississippi, Mayor Moore, is online with us today, guys. She is an awesome trader, and she told me she was going to pop in one day, check me out, and she's here now. So go ahead and say hi to Mayor Moore in the chat, guys. If your fingers are not broke. Welcome, Mayor Moore. We're looking at, as you can see, the ETF for Tesla here. We're getting in around $6.85, $6.90. Hoping that it goes back up to the $7.30 area, or at least the 7.20 area sometime today. Just looking at the overall market. I don't know. How does the overall market look there, Dr. Farmhead? Up, down, all around? Oh, it's floating down. Yeah, it's floating down. Yeah, it's floating down. It's floating down. I don't know. It's just something about today, man. The market is just not. It's like, it's like it's going to look like it's going to be a neutral day today. Neutral meaning no movement one way or the other. Yep. I think I'll be all right with 722 on this long. And you, yeah, I have a highly ever 716 is a good one too. Oh, good. 716 is pretty good too. But by me knowing Tesla, once it catches momentum, it kind of pushes through at least that first level, which is 716, to the next level, which is 722. No, 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 don't move it. Don't move it, man. Don't move it. Leave it there because you want to take your profit as soon as you can. And I may take some out at 716 and just see let the rest ride to 722. So no, keep it at 716 because I actually like that. That's like a more secure trade. Yep, it's more. No, I like 716 for real. I think I'm gonna take some out there too. We'll see, man. It's been see how it goes. Let it roll. We not gonna pay attention to it no more. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna need Val to help with that, bro. Because I'm not an expert on the platform, but I'm an expert on trading. Oh, did I say that? Man, let me take that back. I know I don't like the platform. You I agree with you. Yeah, man. Once you get it down, that's what I'm saying. Once you get it down, then we can, we can get into the short world. Once you get everything down, um, because if you can get both, man, you'll be great. If you got longs and shorts, that's the goal. But like you said, you just started in 1 year. It takes 8, 9 years for this stuff, man. But if you're dealing with somebody that's been in it for 8, 9 years, you can escape all that time in between and just take the information and knowledge from that individual. Because if you just do it by yourself, it's going to take about 6 or 7 or 8 years before you become profitable. In the past, this is before AI. Now that we have AI, it may break that in half to about 3 years, but that's still a long time. That would mean you have 2 more years to go, but we can cut that 2 years, you know. Yeah, but AI giving you so much information now on a particular stock that it helps you in making your decisions. The option chain that I was telling you about yesterday, knowing the option chain is a is a key to it. What do you mean? When your stop got hit? Okay. Right, right, right. For example, with this I'm just using it as an example, right? Yeah. True. That's true. No, that's a good way to look at it. No, I was just trying to get you to understand how the option chain pressures this actual stock to give you um just more information and about a move. I mean, because the more information we can get about a move, is the better for us, so we can have an idea of what's going on. You know, for example, the TSLL trades around $7 strike on the weekly option chain are spaced tightly. Usually in 50-cent increments. It doesn't move but 50 cent to a dollar, right? That's just on this ETF. But if we went on Tesla itself, the actual stock, that moves between $10 to $20, $5, $10, $20 at a time. But you're talking 50 cent. Comparing 50 cent to that is no comparison, right? So the Monday calls is around $7. In the money calls is 650, and out of the money is 750 calls. And then they have some $8 calls, $7 puts, $7.50 puts, and out of the money is 650. So today doesn't look like one of those good days. This is one of them days you just leave, because I'm gonna tell you what. A lot of people have left already for vacation, because August, people leave for August for vacation. So a lot of the retail traders are not trading anymore. So you're not going to see that volatility that we used to in August. We won't see the results of that until September. Things are going to slow down in September, but it's all going to happen in August for it to slow down in September. So we're experiencing that now. Last couple of days of July. Um, So a lot of people just turn away around this time because it stays in between a range and doesn't move anywhere. You could look at it right now, and the SPY is at 735, and that's it. It's at 735 10 cent, 735 20 cent. That's it. Who wanna trade in a market like that? Nobody, not me. So I'll set a trade like you do, long, swing trade, and just leave it, um, hoping that it'll go back up and touch that 7,020 cent range. We don't know, but I would like for it to see it do that. And I'll just set it and leave it, because yesterday may have been our last day of being able to really swing things intraday at least. I mean, it's switching over to morning trade, afternoon trade. Intraday is just study and talk, I guess. Study and talk. You into stuff like that, for man? Studying and talking. Oh, man, I didn't mean to do that. I was studying and reading. Studying and reading. I got you. Yeah. So looking at this market, it doesn't look like doesn't doesn't look like much is happening here, guys. The market is pretty slow today, and so we're going to call it and be right back here in the morning. So we'll see you guys first thing Monday morning. I don't know, sorry, tomorrow. First thing Thursday. Thursday morning. And we'll close it out. Yeah, it is really slow. And it's 11 o'clock and nothing is happening. So we're not going to let the market mesmerize us. We're going to say adios, amigos. Everything is moving slow. Even what you even the computer is moving slow. Yep, I think, family, that's going to wrap up our live coverage for today, Market Open. Let's do a quick recap of what we mapped out today. We had watched the TSLA hit our key level right around the $7 area, the pivot zone, dropped down to $6.90. That's when we took an order. And we're going to take this order from $6.90 up to $7.20 and then take our profit. Remember, whether you caught the move or stayed on the sideline, protecting your capital is job number one. Don't overtrade, don't chase, and let the market prove itself to you guys. Big shout out to everyone in the chat today. Thank you all for coming through. Thank all the regulars holding down the chat, and welcome to everyone, the new people that's tuning in for the first time. We enjoy your company. If you got value out of today's stream, do me a huge favor, smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and tune in tomorrow morning. We'll be here 9 a.m. Those notifications will pop up for you if you hit the notification bell. So never miss an alert when we go live. I'll be monitoring the price action with you guys for the rest of the session over in the discourse. So make sure to drop your setup and chart ideas there. Stick to your strategy, trading plan, manage your risk, and always let's keep securing those green days. Catch you all the next stream tomorrow morning. Peace. I'm out, family.